Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for fun for the whole family, check out this dartboard from QZZIZ. We are not professionals by any stretch of the imagination, but we have played darts many times over the years. We love having this as a fun option to play with friends. It's a standard size, it's nice and thick and heavy duty. It was easy to put together, so you put the little bumpers all around and then you attach to the center, so don't make that mistake. The center is where your mount goes. And then we had to go into a cement wall, so obviously we didn't use the screws that it came with, but it does come with everything you need for a standard installation. It also comes with 2 sets of darts. They're a really nice weight, steel tip darts. They work super well, very accurate. The board itself is also really well made. We've personally found that the holes don't stay very long. It is self-healing, and we've found that to be true. It also comes with a scorekeeper. It has your markers and your eraser, so that's a really nice added bonus. So overall, if you're just looking for a game that everyone can play, that is a lot of fun, I think you'll be really pleased with this dartboard. It's everything we wanted. It's high quality, just like we wanted, and we're very happy with it, and that's my point of view.